With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question. So here the question is alpha D when it has the plus, so it is glucopyranose is okay. So we have to tell whether it will be acetyl, ketyl, hemiacetal or hemiketal. Okay, so these two options are incorrect. Okay, because when we have the glucose, okay, when we have the glucose, so it forms the hemiacetal or hemiketal. Okay, it forms the hemiacetal or the hemiketal. How it forms? Because when the monosaccharide contain the hydroxyl group and an aldehyde or a keto group, okay, so what happens is the one OH group can combine usually the C4 carbon or C5 in the aldohexose which contains the aldehyde group, and C5 or C6 in the ketohexose. Okay, so when they form, then what we have is when they may combine with the aldehyde or the keto group to form the intramolecular hemiacetal or hemiketal. Okay, so here what we are saying is then when the monosaccharides contain a number of hydroxyl groups, right, and an aldehyde or keto group, so what happens is therefore any one of the OH groups, okay, mainly C4 or C5 or C6, okay, may combine with the aldehyde or ketone to form the intramolecular hemiacetal or hemiketal. Okay, so here if we see the structure for the alpha D glucopyranose, so that is here we have COH, here we have H, here we have COH, H, here we have CH, OH, here we have COH, here we have H, here we have CH. Okay, and here at this position we have the CH2OH, and this carbon is linked by the oxygen. Okay, if we give the numbering, so here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this one is our sixth carbon. Okay, so in this structure we can say that this is our alpha position. Okay, and in this carbon C5, okay, here we have the reaction at C5 carbon, right? So when we have monosaccharides, okay, monosaccharides can have the hemiacetal or hemiketal structure. So here the D glucose forms this structure. Okay, the D glucose forms this structure. How it forms? The C5 of the, okay, let's draw the D glucose also. Here we have this, here we have COH, here we have H, CHOH, here we have COH, H, COH, here we have is H, here we have CH2OH. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this will here, okay, and this will move this at this side. Okay, so here what happens is the C5OH, okay, the C5OH of the glucose combines with the C1 aldehyde. Okay, and as a result what happens is the C1 becomes the chiral or asymmetric. Okay, it becomes the chiral or asymmetric, and we have the two representations, and one will be the beta representation, okay, so here it means this is our hemiacetal, because here we have the reaction with the aldehyde group, right? Here we have the reaction with hemiacetal, sorry, aldehyde group, so it will be hemiacetal. Okay, when we have with the keto, then it will be hemiketal, but here it is hemiacetal because here we have the reaction with the aldehyde group. So here our answer is hemiacetal. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.